Hi, welcome you all. Welcome to Munimas. So in this video, I would like to give you differentiability of any function of single variables, f of x. Differentiability of functions of single variables. Okay. So let f of x is any function of single variable. Okay, is said to be differentiable at x equal to a if the limit extends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a exists. If the limit of this will exist, then the function we call it as differentiable at x equal to a. Okay, otherwise it's not differentiable, and which is denoted by f dash of a. Okay, is limit extends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. So there is another formula for this to find differentiability, to check the differentiability at x equal to a. So limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So whatever the formula you can use, if the limit of these two are exists, then we call it as the function is said to be differentiable. If it does not exist, then it's not differentiable. Okay. So those who are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and like and share your friends. Okay. So would like to find the derivative of, for example, x square equal to x square, f of x equal to x square at a random value x equal to a will take at a random value x equal to a. So f dash of x will be limit extends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. We have the formula. So this will be limit extends to a, x square, f of a is replace x by a square by x minus a. So using L'Hopital rule, or you can use the formula, or expanding by numerator into x minus a into x plus a, whatever you like limits we did, right? So this will be a plus a is 2a. Okay, a plus a is 2a. The derivative of x square at x equal to a is 2a. Okay, right? At x equal to a is 2a. Okay, so we can go by second formula also. F dash of x, first would like to find f dash of x. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, so limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h, replace x by x plus h whole square minus x square by h. So limit h tends to 0. Expanding this using formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus x square, I keep it same, by h. Now taking h as common in numerator, h plus 2x by h. So replacing h by 0, 0 plus 2x is 2x. So derivative of f is 2x, at a is 2a. So likewise you can find whatever you like. Okay, whatever the formula you like, that is the general procedure. Okay, so same way we'll find all functions. Okay, like d by dx of x. So already you know from your intermediate, d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of x square is 2x, d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, okay. 1 by 2 root x. Okay, and e power x is e power x is e power x. A power x is a power x into log a power x into log a. Log x base e or ln x is 1 by x. Log x base e is ln x. Okay. Okay. Now log x, sorry, sin ax is a into cos ax. Cos ax will be minus a into sin ax. Okay. Tan ax will be a into secant square ax. Cot ax will be minus a into cosecant square ax. Secant ax, a into secant ax into tan ax. Okay. Cosecant ax will be minus a cosecant ax into cot ax. Sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Secant inverse x 1 by x into root of 1 minus or x square minus 1. Cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. So likewise we have find the derivatives, we'll get these values. Okay, we'll get these values. Okay, there are many, you can go through your intermediate, you will get it easily. Okay, and in case of derivatives, we have to find left derivative and right derivative. Some of the times left hand derivative, LHD, which is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a by minus h, f of a minus h, okay, by minus f of a by minus h. Similarly, right hand derivative, RHD, that will be limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h, okay. So a necessary condition for differentiability of f of x is LHD will be RHD. Okay, LHD will be RHD. Okay, so for example, mod x when we take f of x equal to mod x when we take at x equal to a, so LHD left hand derivative will find limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus x equal to 0 will take, better to take 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. So this will be mod minus h minus f of 0 is 0 by minus h. Mod minus h is h by minus h, this will be minus 1. And would like to find RHD, limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. this will be mod h minus 0 by h. So this is h by h. Mod h is h by h is 1. So both are not same. LHD is not same RHD. Right hand derivative is not same left hand derivative. So therefore mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Not differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay. Not only this very important one, mod x minus a is not differentiable at x equal to a. Mod x minus a is not differentiable at x equal to a. Okay. Like for example, mod x plus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to minus 1. At x equal to minus 1. Okay. Okay. And one more thing is mod x is continuous at x equal to 0, but mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So every differentiable function is continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous but converse need not be true. But converse need not be true. This is the example. Every differentiable function is continuous. Continuous అయితే differentiable అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? Or you can write like this. This is continuous domain, this is differentiable domain. So this is continuous domain, this is differentiable domain. Every differentiable function is continuous, but converse need not be true. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, this is also very important point for the exam point of view. So similarly, we can verify for mod x equal to f of x equal to, similarly we can verify f of x equal to mod x whole square at x equal to 0. Okay. So here I would like to write this minus x whole square at x less than 0 for x less 0 for x equal to 0 plus x whole square for x greater than 0. So LHD I can find LHD limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. So limit h tends to 0 f of minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. Limit h tends to 0 minus h whole square minus 0 by minus h. Anyway, this will be h will remains, limit h tends to 0 minus h will remain 0. RHD will find RHD. Limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. So that will be limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 by h. So f of h is h whole square using of this positive value, h whole square minus 0 by h. So limit h tends to 0, h remains 0, replacing here 0. So both are same, LHD and RHD both are same, 0. Therefore this is differentiable at x equal to 0. Differentiable at x equal to 0. So means that mod x square mod x square means that minus x square minus x whole square for x less than 0, 0 for x greater than 0, okay, and x whole square x greater than 0, x equal to 0, x greater than 0, okay. is differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, mod x whole cube, when we take mod x, so this is minus x whole cube for x less than 0, 0 for x equal to 0, x whole cube for x greater than 0. This will be minus 3x, minus x cube for x less than 0, 0 for x equal to 0, x cube for x greater than 0, x cube for x greater than 0. Okay. So, is differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay. And f dash of this will be, derivative of this will be minus 3x square x less than 0, 0 x equal to 0, for x cube is 3x square x equal to 0 for x greater than 0. F double dash will be minus 6x for x less than 0, 0 for x equal to 0, plus 6x for x greater than 0. F triple dash will be minus 6 for x less than 0, 0 for x equal to 0, 6 for x greater than 0. Okay. So, this is F triple dash. Okay. So, means here LHD is not same as RHD at x equal to 0. So, means that mod x whole cube is twice differentiable. Means f double dash is exists, but not thrice, twice differentiable, but not thrice, okay. F of x equal to mod x whole cube, f double dash of x, by substituting x is 0 here, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, or here this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, okay, or here 0, 0, 0, okay. That is why this is twice differentiable, but when we substitute 0 here, this is minus 6, this is plus 6. So, LHD is not same as RHD, that is why this twice differentiable, but not thrice, But coming to mod x whole square, this x square for x less than 0, 0 for x greater than 0, x equal to 0, x square for x greater than 0, this plus x whole square, x square is plus. So, this is always a differentiable, okay, always differentiable, we do not worry about this, okay. F dash is also differentiable, okay, f dash is also, you do not worry about that. But this mod x whole cube, mod x whole cube, mod x whole power 5, you careful about mod x minus a whole cube, mod x minus a whole power 5, these are all. So, twice differentiable, but not thrice, So, this kind of problems, you careful. So, this is about differentiability. Thank you all for listening this video. Thank you.